guys, what is going on? If you missed last video, my mic is broken. Well, the USB-C tray or input for this GoPro is broken. So we're going mic free today. Regardless, we're still gonna make a video. Audio might not be as good. We might use a lot of music overlay. But that being said, we're meeting up with Owen, getting gas first. We're meeting up with Owen with a DRZ and doing a little bit of riding. All right, guys, so we're heading up to like the Wissahickon area, similar to where we were before, and maybe do a little bit of wheelie practice. I don't know. I hope you guys can hear me. So fucking hot. Oh, great wheelie road. Great wheelie road. Ah, it's so hot. Oh, the bridge. You guys already know what we gotta do. Oh, come on. I think we're allowed on this trail? I don't even know. Do not enter. There's cars coming this way. I didn't know. Sorry, I buffed that one, guys. Could have been better. All right, we're heading up to that same wheelie street we've gone to before. Guys, I think I'm getting high off the bike fumes from Owen's bike. That is one sticky ass bike. Bro, I think I'm getting high off your bike fumes. Stinky. All right, back at the wheelie practice spot. Working on the turn still. Woo. All right, let's try to give Owen some pointers. All right, I just gave Owen some pointers. We'll see what he does with them. Just tap the rear brake. Both your feet on and just like sort of crawl and just sit straight, because it's not going to go side to side. It'll just lift the front wheel a little bit. So you don't need to hit it that hard. Only tap it when the front wheel like leaves the ground, kind of. So try and get the wheel a little bit higher. You're gonna feel the forks lift, and just try to get it that high. You technically don't have to hit the rear brake right now because you're not nearly close enough to bounce.
To get that muscle memory.
Yeah, it's good to get the muscle memory. So, but like try to get it a little bit higher then, and just hit the brake a little bit later.
Yeah. Dude, I realized that I definitely panic throttled, so I gotta
Yeah, you gotta just, it's all one motion, so just, you know,
yeah,
gas, release, and then lean back and just watch the rear brake. It's a lot of parts at first, but you get used to it.
Swing. It's like a golf swing, you know? You could get...
Yeah, it's every little tweak you need to make it perfect.
All right, I'm just gonna keep doing it.
Yeah. We'll let him keep practicing here. I'll rip one up this lot again. Yeah, there you go. That's good. You get it up. That's good. Yes. Soon you'll be like me. I'm not saying I'm good at wheelies, but you know. Guys, my last video was a wheelie tutorial video. This is literally the tutorial in the works. Looking good, dude.
Sort of.
It's coming up, dude. You literally have to just slow. It is the front wheel. It's coming up. It's like that high, maybe.
Did like a decent run, but I like totally panicked. Did not.
Yeah, that's why you got to do the practice. Cause like, dude, when you're like this high and you panic, you're just gonna dump the bike.
I know.
Yeah.
Dude, I literally threw my legs out like this.
Yeah, that's what everyone does. It's like natural for them just to kick their legs and kick the bike away, but you don't want to do that. Oh, do not want to go into that curb. I do that all the time and I'm like, fuck. How will I turn around though? Will I be able to turn around? All right, let's just try it. Something about me and train tracks, man. Wave to the train. Hi. Wheelies are honestly already looking great on the DRZ. Like, they're looking great. I wish I got good that quick. I guess that's what starting on a bit of a more powerful bike does. A little boat bay, I guess. I have no idea. All right, let's go check it out. Never been back here. Let's go check it out. Whew. I didn't see any no trespassing signs. You want to go check it out? I guess we'll go this way. Bunch of trash for sure. Whew. I guess it just brings us up and around. What the hell? Little hill climb up there? Should we just keep going? The supermoto's hanging with? Ooh, it's getting rocky. Should we just hunker through?
I'm starting to meet my limits.
That's what I was gonna say. Should we hunker through, or what do you think? I'm guessing it.
Give me a second.
Yeah, there's a hill climb for you.
Dude, I'm not. That's called death.
That's called death. Oh, they do look sick though. Just gonna kill my battery with that light left on. All right, so we're turning around and then coming back up this little hill climb. We got it. Well done. Nice.
Wasn't even hard.
See, it's a lot easier on the dirt tires.
After this, my GoPro died, but we did hit up another quick little parking lot just to get a couple wheelies in and then conclude this one. This was a dope-ass video. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Peace.